Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at CAD yen. Right, so the CAD yen on the daily, what I have here on the daily, shows CAD yen in a very strong uptrend. Right, price has been making higher highs and also higher lows. Right, so when the market is making higher highs and higher lows, we know that the market is in a strong uptrend. Okay, so I just want to focus on this area for now. Right, it's a bit hard to see, but market actually sort of moved sideways over here before pushing higher, came back, retested the resistance, turned support, okay, and then looks to be pushing higher. So we can actually use Fibonacci retracement of this last move from the low to the high, okay, and we can just zoom in onto this area, and we can see that price is coming up to test the last swing high. So we can have two targets, right? One is of course the recent high. Okay, this can be the first take profit. Okay, of course we can also have another take profit at negative 27.20. Alright, so these are the two levels. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the Fibonacci so it doesn't look so messy. So now that we have our take profit, let's go down to the lower time frame for trade management purposes. Alright, so even on the 4 hour, we see the market making higher lows, right, and higher highs. Now we can expect market to come back up and make a higher high right after it's made a higher low. Okay, so we can connect all these lows together. Okay, connect all these lows together. Okay, with a trend line, and we can use Fibonacci of the last retracement, low to high, and we see the levels are starting to line up together as well with our first take profit at negative 27.20. So what we can expect price to do, okay, price could very well come back to test this ascending trend line support somewhere over at the 61.8. This can be our entry level. Okay, so it's just really a waiting game right now. Right, wait for price to drift lower and then bounce higher. Alright, so if our entry is here, okay, we just got to be patient, play for our swing target up there. Alright, and of course the question will be, where will the stop loss be? Alright, so the stop loss is really the level at which we know for sure our trade is wrong. So we can go down to the 1 hour and look for a tighter stop loss. Alright, so if the entry is here, alright, we can put the retracement back again. We can use the 88 or even the 78.60 as the next stop loss level. Okay, so I'll choose the 88, so give my trade a bit of room to breathe. Alright, so the stop loss is here. If price were to break below the trend line, alright, and even reach the stop loss, we know for sure that price would have closed below this ascending trend line, and we know that the market has just made a high, a low, a lower high, and it should be making a lower low in the event that we are wrong. Alright, so let me just zoom back up to the 4 hours so it's easier to see. Hey, last but not least, we can also include indicators, right? We see here very quickly the price is holding above the moving average, and MACD is also above zero, showing room for further bullish momentum. So that's all the time we have for today. I thank you guys for joining me in today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Take care, stay safe, and trade safe.